School life is one of the most memorable time of our life. In those days, I used to think every day, my God, when will I grow up and there will be no bedroom studies? But now I would just do anything to go back to my school days. We never thought how much we would miss it after completing our schooling. Anyway, those days won't come back. Since we can't go back to our school days, we'll talk about school reunion. We know that we don't meet many of our school friends for years. Now school get-togethers have become common. It's a great opportunity to meet our school friends after a long time. It's an emotional event that sparks nostalgia in everyone. A group of best friends decide to have their school get-together after 25 years. They plan to have this get-together at their residence of their favorite teacher. This teacher was very popular among students and he was an advisor for many of his students. It was a happy moment for the teacher and all the schoolmates gathered there. Everyone was trying to know each other and the developments in their friends' life after leaving the school. They shared with each other and how they moved ahead in life. Few became good leaders having senior position in the corporate world, whereas few were doing good in the business world. Few were moved to other areas of life. Everyone had their own timing of life in achieving the milestone. Quality conversation was going on, but somehow their conversation soon diverted to complaints about their work, relationships, stress and tensions in life. Then teacher offered them coffee and went to the kitchen to ask his wife to prepare coffee for all his students. After 10 to 15 minutes, his wife came with a beautiful smile. But everyone noticed that she brought coffee in different types of cups. Like crystal cups, glass cups, ceramic cups, some are shining cups, some just plain looking ordinary cups. Some are beautiful, some are expensive cups. The students thought teacher may not have the same type of cups to serve for this many students. All the students took coffee from the tray. The teacher said, if you noticed, all of you have taken the nice looking expensive cups, but ordinary plain and cheap cups are left out on the tray. It was a surprising moment. Nobody noticed that there were some extra cups of coffee. Nobody took the ordinary cups and all of them were left on the serving tray. Then teacher said, each one of you wanted the best cups. It's natural that everyone looking for the best. But that can be one of the reasons of your dissatisfaction, problems and tensions in life. All the friends got confused and they were looking towards the teacher. They could not understand what is the connection between having a coffee in their chosen cup and their life. Teacher said, you know that the cup itself will not add any quality to the coffee. What you really wanted was coffee, not the cups. But you consciously went for the best cups and then you began looking at each other's cups. Always remember one thing. If we compare our life with coffee, then our jobs, money, status or possessions in society are the cups. They are just the tools to hold and contain life. The type of cup you have will not define or change the quality of life you live. Will you be able to enjoy a bad taste of coffee instead of a beautiful cup? We will not be able to drink it. So, please, don't let the cups drive you. Enjoy the coffee. Most of the people concentrate only on the cup and fail to enjoy the coffee. The happiest people in this world don't have the best of everything. They just make the best out of everything. So, you enjoy the coffee and not the cups.